My name is Jain, and I've been trading for over 9 years. I'm not a motivational speaker, not an online influencer either. I simply show what I actually do. If you think I'm just throwing words in the air, then look at this. I personally take trades of over $200,000 in a single position. No demo, no fake screenshots. This is my real trading account. Live. That doesn't mean you have to start with a big amount, but if you want to learn how Forex trading really works, how to start smart, and how to build real income with logic and patience, then stay with me till the end. Let's get started. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the global marketplace where currencies are traded, one against another. You don't buy physical dollars or euros. You trade the value difference between them. If you think the US dollar will become stronger than the euro, you buy USD and sell EUR. When the price moves up, you profit. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded every single day. It runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and anyone, even people like us, can now trade from home. Currencies are always traded in pairs, like Euro/USD, GBP per JPY, USD/INR. You're simply predicting which one will rise or fall compared to the other. That's it. Let's say you buy USD/INR at 82.00. Later it goes to 83.00. You make profit from that difference. But here's the thing. This is not a game of luck. It's about data, strategy, and discipline. So how do you get started? First, you need a trusted regulated broker. If you're in the US, I recommend forex.com, IG or Oanda. Then follow these steps. 1. Open your account. 2. Complete your identity verification. 3. Start with a demo account to practice. 4. Once you're confident, start with real trades. Let me be very clear. If you're looking to turn $10 into $1 million overnight, this is not for you. But if you're serious about building a skill that pays, you're in the right place. Let me give you a real example from my own trading. I placed a trade on USD/JPY, $100,000 position. Entry price, 150.20. Exit, 150.80. A movement of 60 pips, and I made around $600 in about an hour. But what if I hadn't used a stop loss? That same trade could have been a $600 loss. That's why every trade must be based on data, not emotion. Some beginner-friendly strategies are support and resistance levels, breakout patterns, moving average crossovers, and news-based trades like NFP or interest rate updates. But none of it matters without this next part. Risk management. Let me say this again. Protect your capital before you chase profits. I personally never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. I don't over-leverage. I log every trade in a trading journal with the reason behind it. That's the difference between a trader and a gambler. Most people lose in Forex, not because it's unfair, but because they break this rule. Now let's talk about tools. If you want to trade smart, not hard, use TradingView for chart analysis, Forex Factory for economic news, my FX book for tracking performance, and MetaTrader 4 or 5 to execute trades. These won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they'll keep you from blowing your account. If you're still watching, you're serious. You're not here to gamble. You're here to build a skill. And if you want me to create a full free Forex course, drop a comment saying, Forex course, please. If 500 people comment, I'll do it. No upsell, no drama, just pure value. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, because next we'll talk about scalping versus swing trading. What's better for beginners? My name is Jain. I trade over $200,000 per position, and I teach real trading. No fake lifestyle, no shortcuts, only skill. See you in the next video.